All right, here we go. It is September 3rd, and I'm kind of on the fence about this, what we're doing today. I might treat with Formic Pro, I might not, depending on what I see. But let's dig in and find out first. Did things a little bit different this year. There you go, move over a little bit. With my treatments, and I'm not quite sure if we're gonna get a fall flow. So that's why I'm kind of on the fence about everything right now. So let's take a peek and see what we're up to. Good job, girls. Mind my head for a second here. Make sure you can see what I'm seeing. Yes, you can. I'll go down a little bit. All right, so goldenrod's been out. It's kind of out and a little bit past, I would say. And again, we just had the remnants of Ida come through yesterday, and everything is really beat up. So like I said, I'm not really sure. If I see him bringing in a good nectar source today, I might hold off another week. And if I don't, I really got to rethink what I do when it comes to after the July harvest. So anyways, let's dig in, see what we got, and see what they're up to. So it looks like, let me just turn it. You can't see, but I can't see either. But yeah, it's all open. So this is open. Seeing, it looks like it's coming in. All right, we're in terrible. The sun right now, I should have waited. Can't really wait. All right, so we got nectar coming in. That actually looks pretty good right there. And this frame right here looks pretty good. Okay, so we're talking three supers on this hive, so let's keep going. Not much right there. That's drone. That'll be replaced this year. Let's see. That's a nice heavy frame, but really nothing. A little bit right there. All right, so there, it's a slow trickle, and because I did things a little bit different this year, I tried Hop Guard, because Hop Guard doesn't really require temperatures requirements. So it's a good treatment for when your mite level gets high enough. For me, it's usually August, which is also my hottest month, which is very hard to do Formic Pro, which what I like. So this year I changed a little bit different. I'm not seeing much right there. This year I did a little bit different. I did Hop Guard in August or end of July into August, I do believe. All right, that's open. And kind of really wasn't a big fan of it. But anyways, now it's time to treat with Formic Pro. That's empty. Not even drawn out. So I'm on the fence. What are we gonna do? Let's take a little bit of a look at some other frames here first before let's get a little deeper. So I'm thinking probably not gonna get a fall flow, and it'll be kind of like last year, and whatever I do get, these are just gonna get. So for me, harvest wise, I'm probably not gonna get much. All right, I know, chickens are mad. Bees are very happy today. Sorry about that, All right. Just got a whiff of grape. Okay, so here we are. So this is the middle super. Like I said, this is September. This is the first week of September. Good you little lady, sorry about that. And Japanese knotweed, I think, has been out for a week at least. Goldenrod's already browning in the front here. So starting to think I don't get a full flow, and I'm starting to rethink my process of doing splits and when to do splits. I'm starting to think I might come into the end of July and not think about a flow and just really focus on splitting hives. All right, so that's actually pretty good right there. That's a good frame. Nice, ladies. All right, I'm gonna say we're all right, that's looking better too. All right, so it looks like it's in the middle box right now. All right, maybe I spoke too soon. The other side of it, oh yeah, here we go. Now we're talking. That's got some weight to it. Ladies, finally getting into it. Not so much right there. Right there, yes, not so much. So anyways, we're into it a little bit. That's a much better than last week. And that's open. It's not full-blown filling a super in a week, that's for sure. But we're definitely moving forward. And that's completely empty with a little bit right there. And you can kind of see, I don't know if the sun in the right angle, but you can see the different colors in nectar. Oh, it's darker right in there. So we're good. We're on to something. All right, I'm not gonna go any further with that one. I'm gonna try to make this one quick and painless. Part of me says treat, get it over with. The other part of it is I treat now. That puts me middle of September. They're usually raising brood right up until, I want to say, the middle of October. So that gives me a full month of them raising winter bees with low mite count. So let's see what's in the bottom box here and go from there. But I think I'm gonna treat, get it over with. All right, girls, come on, move it over. Very calm today. So let's see, maybe she slowed down. Let's see. Never know till you get in there. So outer frame is really, it's light. Drawn comb, really nothing in it. Not shocked. Not quite sure what the Formic Pro is going to do for the stinting the flow, if it will. That's got a little bit of weight to it. As I look at it, they're still doming this one. Do believe they had this domed last week. And yeah, not much weight to that one. Whoa, bumblebee just buzzed my head. All right, yeah, so we're not seeing much. I mean, they're putting it here, which it'll be fine. So chances are I'll end up taking whatever I can out of the top two boxes. Yeah, they're doming this. So you can literally see how they're working the frame, how there's nobody here, but there's tons right around here. So they're still doming, which is fine, because for me, when they dome that, going into October when I start to feed, I really pile it on. See, that's domed again. It's got a little bit of nectar. So this is the part where I take whatever I can up top, they get this, and then I force feed, and they literally fill because they got nowhere else to put it. I can't see in that one. Let me take a peek here. Not sure why, ladies. What are we doing up top? What are we thinking, like a late September super seeder? But anyways, I'm gonna treat. Oh, you can really see the nectar. You can really see the color difference right in there to what's out here. That's nice and dark. So I'm gonna, oh, there you go. All right, I'm gonna treat, let it ride. We're in a good weather window. I just feel like I'm gonna treat. I'd rather be safe than sorry. And that's what we're gonna do this year. I'm gonna treat, so that puts me middle of September, like I said. And then by October, I'm feeding, which watching my last harvest if I get one. If not, I'm condensing. That's it. So nothing really else to see here. Better than last week, but not great. But thank you for watching.